Morning by the Canals, a mysterious encounter. The story begins with Emily, a young travel vlogger from New York, arriving in Amsterdam for what she plans to be a peaceful day exploring the city's highlights. Her first stop is a charming café by the canals, where she captures the morning sun glinting off the water. Everything seems idyllic until she notices an old man leaving a cryptic envelope on her table before disappearing into the crowd. Inside the envelope is a map of Amsterdam with several locations marked and a single line of text. Follow the map to uncover Amsterdam's hidden treasure, but beware, you're not the only one searching. Intrigued and slightly skeptical, Emily decides to follow the first mark on the map, the Anne Frank house, where she unexpectedly finds a hidden clue beneath a seat in the museum. Afternoon in the Jordaan. The chase begins. As Emily continues her journey, she navigates the picturesque streets of the Jordaan neighborhood, known for its quaint houses and boutique shops. She begins piecing together the puzzle from the map, but her excitement is short-lived when she realizes she's being followed by two shadowy figures. A heart-pounding chase ensues through narrow alleys, over bridges, and into a bustling street market. Emily escapes into a cheese shop, where she cleverly hides among the crowd of tourists sampling Dutch Gouda. There, she meets Lucas, a charming local with a mysterious connection to the map. Though reluctant to trust him, Emily has no choice but to accept his help when the pursuers close in. Together, they decode the next clue, leading them to the Rijksmuseum. Rijksmuseum revelations. Art and danger collide. Inside the majestic Rijksmuseum, Emily and Lucas discover that the map points to a hidden compartment within a famous painting. As they work to uncover the secret, they're confronted by the shadowy figures who reveal themselves as agents of a secret organization hunting the treasure for its immense historical and financial value. A tense standoff occurs in the museum's grand hall, filled with priceless art and unsuspecting tourists. Emily and Lucas use their wits to outmaneuver the agents, escaping through a service door and into Amsterdam's sprawling Vondelpark, where they catch their breath and plan their next move. Evening in De Pijp, secrets of the Heineken brewery. The next clue takes Emily and Lucas to the vibrant neighborhood of De Pijp, known for its lively atmosphere and the famous Heineken brewery. As they delve deeper into the mystery, they uncover a secret room within the brewery that holds an ancient artifact connected to Amsterdam's golden age. Just as they think they've made progress, they're ambushed by the agents, leading to a high-stakes chase through the brewery. The action escalates as they navigate vats of brewing beer, slippery floors, and hidden passages. Lucas reveals a shocking secret. He's not just a helpful local but a descendant of one of the city's founding families, with a personal stake in the treasure. Nightfall at the red light district, a dangerous bargain. As night falls, Emily and Lucas find themselves in the notorious red light district, where the final piece of the puzzle awaits. The district's neon-lit streets and lively crowds provide the perfect cover for their activities, but the agents are never far behind. The tension reaches a boiling point when Emily and Lucas are forced to strike a dangerous bargain with a mysterious informant who holds the key to the treasure's location. The informant's price? A piece of the treasure itself. Emily faces a moral dilemma, knowing the treasure's true value to Amsterdam's history and culture. The secret beneath Amsterdam. A shocking finale. The final clue leads Emily and Lucas to an underground tunnel system beneath the city, a relic of Amsterdam's trading past. Here, they find the hidden treasure, a chest containing historical artifacts, including rare maps, coins, and a journal revealing secrets about Amsterdam's rise to power in the 17th century. Their victory is short-lived as the agents arrive, resulting in a heart-stopping confrontation deep within the tunnels. Emily and Lucas must outsmart their adversaries one last time, using the city's underground waterways to make their escape. The story concludes with Emily reflecting on the day's events as she sails through the canals under the moonlight. The treasure is safe, and though she's unsure what the future holds, she knows her perfect day in Amsterdam has changed her life forever.